All right, turning to the EV space, Nikola up 16% on news. It delivered its Nikola Tre electric tractor-trailer truck to a company that operates out of the port of L.A. That delivery, it actually happened last week, but the stock moving today after a tweet from Nikola. That company also has signed a letter of intent to purchase 100 total. Other EV stocks moving on the news, Lordstown and Arrival both outperforming the market, both of them up over 4%. Rivian fractionally higher, still down after a somewhat disappointing earnings on Monday. Wedbush says spending on commercial EVs should top $1.2 trillion between now and 2030, with very intense competition on the vehicles themselves, batteries, and charging infrastructure. John, you own some calls in Fisker and also Tesla. You also bought some Nikola calls today.
Yeah, we were trading them last week, Frank, because Friday last week, stock was $9.75. They were buying the this week, today, expiry 11 calls. Those calls, they were paying just a dime for them last week, Frank. They exploded today, and then they began rolling up to the January 13 calls. So I liked that action, Frank. They're not quite as good as Elon Musk in terms of the tweets, but to get a 20% pop out of the stock, granted at a much lower base, you know, to get it moving from $9.80 or $10 up to and through $11 with that single tweet, that was pretty amazing. But obviously the fact that they've finally started deliveries and that they've proved that they can do that and get another order is a very positive thing for this company.
Jim, over to you. I know you own GM. You're also on the list for one of those new Cadillac Lyrics. I'm very jealous of you. What do you make of this news for Nikola today? Do you think this is a big sign for them, or is it just another EV, another commercial EV going out in the market where we're still in the very early stages of this game?
Frank, I don't know. Did you read that headline that was up just before they came to this Brady Bunch screen? Our first customer delivery.
Yes.
Like, okay, for General Motors and Ford, that happened 120 years ago, right? There's a hell of a head start here, guys. And listen, I'm not taking any shots at Dr. J. His time frame is a lot shorter than mine. I like to make long-term investments. I can't look at Nikola or Rivian or any of these names and say that in the long run, they're going to outcompete the scale, the marketing, the cost advantages of General Motors, of Ford, of Tesla at this point, of Volkswagen. I mean, I love a good David versus Goliath story, but 9 times out of 10, David gets trampled by Goliath, and I think that's what's going to happen here. And I will definitely let everybody know when I get that Cadillac Lyric. I'm looking forward to it. You'll see me tweeting it out.